Greetings, it's me, Sandy Rogers, and I am happy to report that today is day 26. And I am sitting here wanting to show you some of the produce that I was able to grow in my garden. And I hope the picture shows out pretty good. So, this is apple mint. It's good for digestion and a lot of different body functions. It's a little wilted right now because it was out of the ground and not in water. So I just put it in a little water because I'm not going to do anything with it today. But I love this. Can you see it? Man, it's gorgeous, right? And then I've got sage here in the windowsill, and I'm going to be drying that out and making a sage stick with it. You know, we use sage to clean the energy in the house. So it'll be wrapped and tied with a cotton type of twine, and we'll make it into a ball, or not really a ball. It's kind of like a cone. We'll make it into a cone, and that way we will, and then make um, a sage um, package out of that, or a sage stick, and be able to use it in the different holistic practices that we use it in. And again, it clears out all types of energy in your home. I've been called several times to do sage burning in businesses and in homes when people first move in. And so that grows in our garden as well. And then the last thing, I'm actually going to pick it up a little bit. So that's oregano. And, it's good for to cook with and things like that. So the oregano, along with the sage, are both seasonings or ingredients that you can use in your recipes. And with Thanksgiving coming up, I have plenty to share, and so that's what I've done. I've already shared some, and then I have more. And I had some carrots too. The carrots are still looking very, very good, and I didn't pick them all today because I want to make sure I have some when I come off my fast, whatever that's going to be. Again, I'm not sure exactly what day it's going to be when I come off, but so I did the garden this morning, right? Oh my God, I was out there like almost 3 hours, and so what I was doing today was starting to prepare my plots to grow vegetables. And so we have this topsoil that I want to put over the top. So I'm adding more richness to the soil that I already have. And so I was shoveling and throwing the dirt up and shoveling and, putting it in a wheelbarrow, and then taking it and putting it in the actual plot. So did a few hours of that, and I had to stop. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna act like I'm superwoman or anything, but I stopped. But it was like I said, 2.5 to 3 hours in, and so I was able to do what I'm gonna do, what I was gonna do today. And then I'll go back out on Monday, and I will add some more soil to that, and then probably the probably the 10th or the 11th of September, somewhere around in that area, then I'll go in and I will plant my fall garden. It's still pretty warm here. We've got 90-degree days, and you don't want to plant your fall vegetables and when the soil is still hot. So that's one of the reasons why I'm waiting and not doing it right away. And so that was my morning. And so I came home, washed the produce up real good. Today I got the mint, the sage, the oregano. I got carrots, and I got okra. And it seems like there's something else, but maybe, excuse me, maybe that was just it. Those three items, and and the carrots was what I was able to harvest today. So I'm doing good, man. And then I had another event. It was a book festival, and so I attended that, and just walking back and forth, and interacting with the different authors and publishing companies and things like that. So I am finished for today, and the party was the party time changed, and so I'm not going to party tonight. And but it's okay because I got a good day planned out tomorrow, and I still feel good. I still feel very energetic. Not that I have a lot of strength, but I think I may have used most of it this morning when I was putting that soil, with those shovels and putting it in the wheelbarrow. So I'm gonna let that rest right there, and I'm good with it. I love you guys, and I thank you so much for being on this journey with me. You're helping me to stay focused and to stay on point, and to be able to answer your questions and encourage you. It's really a wonderful thing. And so I appreciate you, and I'll see you tomorrow. I love you.